In this video, let us look into determining the value of k such that the given pair of linear equations in two variables has no solution. So here we've got that system of equations. So we've got 2x minus ky plus 3 equals 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals 0. So the condition for a set of linear equation in two variables to have no solution is a1 by a2 being equal to b1 by b2 not being equal to c1 by c2. So if this condition is satisfied, then this set of linear equations in two variables will not have a solution. So now this is definitely of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. So now the values are a1 equals 2, b1 equals minus k, c1 equals 3 and a2 equals 3, b2 equals 2 and c2 equals minus 1. So we've got a1 by a2 as 2 by 3 equal to b1 by b2 as minus k by 2. This not being equal to c1 by c2, which is minus 3 by 1 or 3 by minus 1. So now let's take this pair of equation, that is 2 by 3 equals minus k by 2 or k equals minus 4 by 3, right? So now when the value of k is minus 4 by 3, so we found k as minus 4 by 3, right? So this is the condition that we need. So I've taken this. So k should be equal to minus 4 by 3 for this pair of linear equation in two variables so that it doesn't have a solution. Therefore, the given pair of linear equations in two variables will have no solution if k equals minus 4 by 3. So this ends this problem as well as the video. So before I conclude it, all I want to say is to solve these kind of problems, you just have to be familiar and thorough with the conditions that have to be satisfied. Say, for example, if you want a unique solution, or if you want no solution, or if you want infinitely many solutions. So as long as you know the conditions, you should be good to solve these problems. So I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on simultaneous linear equations.